Gustafsson Haapoja, I'm a visual artist.
And I am Laura Gustafsson. I am a writer and now also working with visual arts.
Museum of Non-Humanity is a video installation and a touring museum, utopian museum that looks at the way in which humanity and non-humanity or animality has been separated conceptually in the course of history in Western thinking.
Yeah, in this work, Museum of Non-Humanity, we have studied the Western notion of animal and human and what it means for these creatures if they are defined as animals or as humans. And we have everything, this is a very textual piece, everything here, all the texts are, we have used various sources such as the Bible, for instance, or dictionaries or encyclopedia, and also quotations from Western philosophers like Aristotle or Plato or René Descartes.
The installation is 1 hour and 10 minutes long, and it goes through 10 different sequences that are all titled differently, and all these different sequences look at the way in which humanity and non-humanity has been separated from different angles. So, for example, we start with person, and we look at how personhood and legal personhood and thingness has been defined in law. And then we look at, for example, gender, and then that looks at how the female body and flesh and meat is somehow, they have a different vocabulary in talking about those things, and colonialism and the history of colonialism and the history of thinking of someone as merely as a resource and what consequences that has. Well, we've been working together for a while, and we had been working on the notion of animals and our relationship to nature and otherness in general. And then we started to think of like, oh, what's actually this non-humanity that we talk about? What is this animal that we talk about? And so this was really research into what does that mean. And it's especially, I think, important now when we face the environmental crisis. And so we really have to think of like, how do we understand this human and animal divide? And we worked on this for about a year, and we've launched it in 2016 in Helsinki, and we've been to Italy and Norway, and now we're here and we're still continuing touring with it.